We continue with tangents to a curve, video 3.2. Right, here we have a hyperbola, and we're going to look at how this impacts this particular gradient of the tangent. It says here, calculate the coordinates of the point of contact if h of x is negative 3 over x and has a gradient of negative 4 at the point. Right, so first things first, we find the derivative of this particular curve, h dash x. I'm going to have 3x to the power of negative 1 multiply with negative 3, that will be positive 3, and minus 1 will be minus 2. So when I rewrite this, it becomes h dash x is equal to 3 over x squared. Now, that is the function for the derivative, which will also be equal to my gradient. It's given that the gradient is negative 4. So I equate this to negative 4 and solve for x. So negative 4x squared is equal to 3. X squared is negative 3 over 4. So here already I can see that there will never be a solution, because I can never have two numbers multiply by each other and get a negative result if I multiply two negatives. So let's see quickly what happens. If I find the solution of this, I will have to say x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 3 over negative 4. And when there's a negative number inside a surd, especially a square root, there is no solution. There's no real solution. What does this mean for the question that we've had? Remember, the question asked, what is the points of contact? Let's look at this. I have taken the function y is equal to negative 4x. This is the function negative 4x. It passes through 0 and 0. Let's look at the function negative 3 over x. Let's look if at any point you will see this function having a tangent. If it's like this, there is no way that it will ever have a tangent to that curve. If it was in that direction, yes, it would have become a tangent to the curve. I can just quickly show you. If you drag it, it will become a tangent, or it will become a tangent. But here, this line cuts this function. It cuts it. So how do I answer this question with relation to the question that was asked? I need to say there will be no point of intersection for a tangent. Specifically, no point of intersection for a tangent. So here it does not matter how far or in which direction I go, this line will never ever be a tangent to the curve.